Congress party is definitely in a position, is a pan-Goa party and is definitely in a position to field 40 candidates. That question you can ask the AAP
okay.
whether they have got 40 candidates.
Okay.
We are in a total position to dislodge the BJP government. The entire machinery is working in the Congress party, and I'm sure
On
an
your own.
alliance will also come in the picture, because we have to respect the wishes of the people.
40 कॅन्डिडेट अर्जीन घातले
हय
आणि त्यांना 10% वोट मेळ्ळो.
बरोबर.
So, and they are the ones who said that we will have never an alliance with the Congress or BJP. Today, they are acting very pragmatic. They are the people who are saying we can't dislodge BJP without having an alliance. So, I find Manoj Parab taking a very pragmatic stand. Separately, AAP, RG or Congress will not be in a position to dislodge the BJP. They will have to come together, and if they come together, there could be that arithmetic working out. According to me, individually, even the Congress party, I do not feel they have the strength to take on the BJP.
Okay.
And BJP in any case is a strong election machinery. Even if you all are together, people will have, you will have to catch the imagination of the people that we can come to power.
We are moving rapidly all over Goa. We have, right now, if you go to see, we are doing people-centric endeavor. We've got about 24 Arogya clinics all over Goa. We are serving the people. People are getting closer to us. Every day, people are joining us.